Hi, my name is Fabian Gibson from Strada. Today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom in a new launch in Town Square by NSHAMA. So yeah, 2-bedroom, obviously open kitchen. Then you have your living room area. Now, starting from the left, you have a little laundry room. Well, a well-sized laundry room, shall I say. And then bedroom 1. So both bedrooms, which I will show you, come with a, obviously, wardrobe space, of course, and an ensuite, which is a shower as well. Then to your right here, you have just a little powder room for your guests, and then bedroom 2, which also comes with a shower as well and an ensuite. If you are interested in this project, feel free to get in contact on the number below, or give us a call on 0585 919 400. Have a good day.